Before replacing the IQMax power supply, disconnect the existing power supply from the source. Disconnect the power cable from the transformer box and set the cable aside. This cable will be reused with the new transformer. Only the transformer brick and cable assembly are included in the replacement kit. Turn around the IQMax and lay on its face to expose the power supply cables. To remove the power supply retaining clip, you will need a number 1 Phillips screwdriver. The screw for this clip may be located on the bottom or left of the power supply. Do not bend back the power supply retaining clip without removing the screw. This will cause damage to the IQMax chassis. The replacement kit will only contain the replacement transformer unit. The ferrite filter is integrated into the cabling, and a threaded connector will be used instead of a retaining clip. Remove the power supply by pulling straight up from the power supply port. Insert the new power supply cable into the power supply port and hand tighten. Complete the assembly by plugging the power cord into the new transformer and plugging the cord back into the power source. The IQMax will begin power up approximately 8 seconds after power is reapplied.